Hello, all learners. I figured I'd make a video to summarize this first cycle. We've been through our first 7 days of classes. There's been a lot of confusion on your assignments. So I just want to clarify some common problems. Questions. When I put a question on Google Classroom, it must be answered. Even if it's something as simple as, did you sign up for Albert? You have to answer that yes or no, even if you signed up for Albert. When I grade those questions, I grade them based on Albert. I don't grade them based on Albert. I grade on whether you answer the question in Google Classroom. Those are two different things. When I give you a task grade on Albert, it's going to be based on whether you did your homework, not answer the question. The point of answering the question was to give you a free 2 points of classwork. Okay. I did not grade the Albert work because so many people had difficulty signing on. So hopefully everyone is signed on to Albert by now. So then the next cycle, I will post an assignment up there that will be graded. What other problems? Attaching assignments to your actual classroom assignment. So if I give you some classwork to do and it's on the packet, you have multiple options. You can print the packet and write on the packet, take the picture and upload it. You can use Lumiere or Lumen PDF. However, if you do, it's your document, not mine. So you can't just copy the link. You have to actually download it and then put it on Google Classroom. I put the directions on how to do that in a stream. You can use Kami. That's also a Google application. It's very similar to Lumen PDF. Whatever you feel easier for you to use on your device is what you should use. Do not necessarily make it a Google Doc because once you start typing in a Google Doc, it changes the format. And then I can't see your work, nor can I see the answers. The graphs get messed up. So I would prefer you not make the packet a Google Doc. It is up there as a Word document. That was for you to download. It's not the same when you change it to a Google Doc. Or you can write on a piece of notebook paper and send the picture. Remember that the picture, I have to be able to view the work. So don't just take a picture. I'm actually zooming in and looking at your work. So make sure I can actually see your work in order for you to get a good grade. Most people, if you did all the problems and submitted it, I gave you full credit. However, in the future, I'm actually going to grade a little bit harder, right? I need to make sure I can see the work with all the problems. The point of math is the process, not necessarily the answer, especially because you guys are working from a computer. It's very easy to use an application to cheat. I need you to actually practice math, so I need to see the steps. Because even if you are copying math, if you're doing the steps out, you're still learning. So that's what I need you to do. Trying to clarify any problems. We have a lot less class time this year. So make sure you are utilizing your free time at home and even in school. When you're on your computer and you're struggling with something in math, just saying I don't understand, miss, and not doing the assignment is going to fail. You're going to fail. And that's with any class. This year, it really means you have to be dedicated to your learning. So if there's something you don't understand, there's options. That's why that question was on the rules test. Look up a YouTube video. Don't understand it from that? Look up another one. Go on Khan Academy. You can send me a question. It's so hard for me to answer math on a text message, but I will try my hardest. Ask a friend, or make sure you ask questions. I will try my hardest to utilize Google Meet during class time a little more. We did have a lot of internet issues. I'm hoping they'll all be cleared up by now. That's it. Once I grade your assignment on Google Classroom, I'm going to remind you, you cannot redo it. So don't wait for me to put your 0 in the grade book for you to then say, miss, I'll go do it now. It's too late by then. I don't accept late work. Once it's graded, you cannot go back. I don't grade things most of the time the day it's due. So you always have a few moments, another day, to make sure you turn it in. Don't wait until that 0's in the grade book, which a lot of you did, because by then it's a 0. I didn't put any 0's other than your rules quiz and your surveys in the grade book. So if you didn't do a homework assignment this time, I just left the grade blank.
However, going forward, if you don't do a homework assignment, I will put a 0 in. Please make sure you're completing all your work. If you have a question, ask. If you're having trouble, make sure you say something. But remember, homework is graded on effort. So just try some more. Your quizzes are graded on right or wrong. You have to get a 70 or above. If you don't, you have to redo. Okay? If you have more questions, let me know. I just feel like a video was much better than the long, dramatic text on the stream. I'm trying to post my other videos, but I took the video from my tablet, so I don't have it easily on the computer to just upload it. So I will try my hardest to get it done by tonight. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.